Okay, so I'm gonna be driving this car right here, but I need to tell you about what it's like. So these in front of the tires, I don't know where at, but there's springs, and the tires are soft and foam, and that's pretty much all I know. But here, okay. I mean, it's fast for a small car, but still pretty fast. But it might need charged. I just got it, but. And you see that, let me grab my card here. So you see this thing, this jumbo box bully thing? Yeah, I'm gonna set it up next video and hit this car with it. And I can't set it up right now because then it'd take a while. Because the wind will keep knocking it down. And I'll be inside. It's not really meant for like outside right here, but it's like not fast on grass, but it's pretty fast on concrete and rugs and stuff. Like, it's pretty much an indoor car because it's so small. Here, I'm gonna set up a jump in the next video also. See you later.